Teacher Kim. Subscribe and like.
Hello students, this is teacher Kim Hoben이, and today we'll be talking about something very important, which is also. So I'm pretty sure if you speak English or if you speak in any other language, every language I'm pretty sure has the word also, okay? And then we use also a lot of times because I guess humans are greedy. We don't just only want one thing, so we also want many things too, okay? So I'll be teaching about something word called 도, which can replace subject and object markers, okay? So what do I mean by it? So 도 can also mean also as well as to or as well, okay? So one of the examples that I can give is 나도 좋아해요. 나도 좋아해요. So where's 도 in this sentence? It's after 나, which is me, right? So I also like it too. Another example can be 학교도 갔다왔어요. So where's 도 in this sentence? Right after 학교, which is a school, and 갔다왔어요 is went. So I went to school too. So now that we looked at these two examples, how can we use it in many other examples? So let's say it's hard to just say a word or sentence with the 도 in it because it means also, right? So it has to mean that there's some a thing that happened, a situation that has happened that required you to say also. For example, somebody was to ask you or ask me, hey teacher Kim, do you like ice cream? And I can say, 저는 아이스크림 좋아해요, which is I like ice cream. And then that person can also ask, 포도도 좋아해요? Which 포도 is grapes, right? And say 포도도 좋아해요. I also like grapes. So this example a little hard because 포도도 because there's two do's. So I'll give you an easier one, which is 과자도 좋아하세요? Which is do you like snacks too? And I can say 과자도 좋아해요. I also like snacks too. So you use also every day when formulating Korean sentences, and it's very useful to know that we always put do as an object or subject marker. So always put it after a noun that you want to be inclusive of, and then you say the verb after. Okay. Yeah, and this has been Teacher Kim, and then see you next time. Bye bye.